Here's some deer crossing the road at the Gondola Point Ferry. There they go. There's a little fella over there. And there they are, looking right at us. Isn't that nice? Boy, what a little treat. They're going up the snow, going up the hill. Just gorgeous. And there's another one just lagging behind. There he goes. Across the road. Here he goes. Well, wasn't that exciting? That was coming down to the Gondola Point Ferry. 4 lovely deer. Oh, how great that is. Listen, you have a great day. And remember, make the most of your opportunities. You are worth it.